Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be learning how to make an elastic paper and toy. Pull, pull, pull. Get square sheets of paper of different colors and fold in this form. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then fold the 2 inner diamonds inwards to have 2 outer diamonds. Like this. So we have 2 diamonds on 2 sides, and then the 2 center diamonds are at the middle. Open up and begin to stick together the pieces one after the other. So we put some glue, adjust one portion of the diamond, and then fix on it another piece. Continue like that until all the pieces are stuck together. Fold up the paper along the middle of the places where we have them joined together. And then collapse the sheets of paper and put them together in this form. Draw on it a heart shape and cut off the edge. Fold 2 strips of paper into circles, 2 rings. Fix them onto the piece and leave to dry. We can now open it and then put together. Open and put together to give us the elastic paper finger toy. Hope you like the video. Thank you.